How to allow downloads on Family Link. So you're gonna need the parent's permission if you want to do this, since you're gonna be able to do it in the parent account. So log into that specific account, go ahead inside controls over here, and just go ahead and scroll down into signed in devices after that, and then choose the device you want to allow this. So in your device settings, you will be able to find this apps from unknown sources. That is the option you want to toggle on. So make sure this is toggled on over here. And once it's toggled on, before that, you will get this warning, I suppose, personal data are more vulnerable to attacks, which is a true thing. So make sure you read this and then just go ahead and press on OK, and it will toggle this on, which will allow downloads from basically any other thing other than the Google Play Store. But that's pretty much it on how you can download or allow downloads on other devices using Family Link. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.